Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? OG Larry, G Trades TV. This is not financial advice, but this might be some information that can help you change your life. With that being said, I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna make this video pretty short because I just want to share a little knowledge and hopefully a little information that might be to help you in your quest to become a trader or a profitable trader or a successful trader, whatever it is your goal is in the market. This is something that I think will help you immensely if you're able to accomplish this. And that thing is becoming debt free. If you become debt free, it will make your trade journey so much easier, so much less stressful, and so much easier to execute. Because if you're trading to get out of debt, which I think is the wrong way, I think that's putting the cart before the horse. I think you should get out of debt and then trade rather than trading to get out of debt. Because if you're out of debt and you're trading, that means you can trade with money that you can afford to lose. If you're in debt, you really can't afford to be losing no money, because them bills are not going to go away, and the stock market is not going to care who you owe, what you owe, or why you owe. They're going to be coming after your money. So if you're a trader, if you're an investor, it's another story. You can put your money in there, set it, forget it, and let it cook while you go about your daily life business. But if you're a trader, if you're a day trader, or if that's what your hope is, to become a profitable day trader, then you should work on trying to become debt free, trying to get that stress out of the way before you enter into the market, because scared money doesn't make money. And if you're trading and you just have to win this trade, or you putting a lot of pressure on yourself to execute and win this trade, then you're gonna be in there scared. You're gonna be in there scared. And if the play starts to go down, you might hold on to it when you should be cutting it loose and resetting, recalculating, going back and doing a little bit more homework. And that's what trading scared and what trading in debt will do. But if you're trading debt free and that play goes down a little bit, then you can stay. And if you understand that you have a good thesis and you understand that you made the right move, you either know that to let go of that play ASAP, or you know that play is going to come back because it didn't hit your stop loss. It just went down a little bit. It didn't put you in panic mode. So you were able to withstand that, weather that storm, and let the play work out into your favor. And when that play works out into your favor, being debt free means that you're not going to be scared to hold that play and let it go to fruition and make you and hit your target, whatever that target may be. So that's a big deal. Trading without being under stress, without worry, is a whole lot more problematic than trading debt free, sitting there chilling. I was in my trades and out before 11 o'clock today, and decided to make this video so that I could try to help somebody else out, because most people enter the markets because they have a lot of debt. That's most people that holler at me about wanting to learn how to trade, wanting to get involved in the stock market, is because they want a solution to some of these economic problems that they're facing. And everybody has bills, everybody has problems that they're facing financially, especially with the way things are right now in the macroeconomic environment. So with that being said, also, the thing to try to do is to dumb down that debt and build a moat of cash. That even if it's small money, it doesn't have to be a lot of money. I started my latest account with just $1,000, just to try to run it up to see if I could take $1,000 to $10,000 to $25,000, and ultimately by the end of the year, $100,000. And that's my goal. But I can't do that being in debt. I can't add money to my positions and to my portfolio or to my brokerage account if I have to give that money to somebody else. So right, I trade debt free. I don't have any debt. I don't have any debt because I paid all my debts down. And the stock market didn't pay those debts for me. It put me in a position to help me pay those debts, because I traded small until I learned how to scale, until I learned how to make money in the stock market. And then I was able to pay off my debts and become debt free. So that's the goal, and that's working for me. And that's why I'm still here. That's why I've been able to be here for 5 years and to weather every storm that hit me. I've lost money that sometimes made me go curl up in the bed and just go on to sleep. That's the only thing I could do, is sleep on it and come back the next day and try to figure it out. And a lot of times I figured it out. And I'm still working on getting money back that I lost early in the game when I didn't know how to trade, when I was just in the market blind, not really knowing what I was doing, not knowing how to research, not knowing how to read the charts or read candles. It's a lot of work that you have to put in if you want to use the stock market as a vehicle to make money, to help you change the quality of your life, pay your bills off, and eventually become financially insecure and creating wealth for yourself and your family. So the path forward: one, stop trading if you're in debt. High interest is guaranteed a return, because that's not a good place to be in the stock market. And try to build the moat, have a little emergency fund, have money on the side, whether it's to put in the market or in case of emergency that you don't put in the market, because you don't want to put money in the market that you cannot afford to lose. And closing this out with, it's a marathon, man. You got to do this over time. You're not going to get in here and make money today, tomorrow, or next week. It takes time. They say you can time the market and make money, but I say if you put time in the market, learn how the market moves, learn how the market shakes, then that's when you can make money. So I just wanted to put that on your mind. And if you find value in that, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Like I said, it's easier said than done when it comes to becoming debt free, but you can do it. All you have to do is believe in yourself and in your own potential, and knowing what you can do to make your own life better. So with that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here, you guys. Peace.